Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your Facebook account for some reasons you are spending a lot of times or you just want to only delete your Facebook account in various very easy steps to do this. So all what you need to do is just go for the account, then go for settings, and then go for settings in this one. It will be popping up the interface, and then you will go here, see more in account center. And here guys you will go for your information and permission. Sorry guys, you just need to go which is the personal details, and here you will go the account ownership and control, and then you will go for deactivation or deletion, and then you will just press the Facebook account, and then you will go for delete account, continue, and then I will just mention any reason I don't feel safe on Facebook. I will keep continue, and then I will go continue, and then you can do all before you delete. You can do all these things to just back up your messages and so on. Just press continue, and then after making the password and so on, you will just have the last pop-up which is confirmation of deletion. You will have only 30 days to delete, or just before 30 days is gone you can back up your account. So that's it guys. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace.